In a way the track can hear the pirates sing. In a way the track before the emperor ring.
Listen to our servant song, listen closer, something strong. Please do help us in our needs. We'll pay you for your deeds. Let's first go back in time so you understand. Long before all man, this is when his tale began. All the oceans and the seas were without disease. When Simon and all of his kin ruled and there was peace within. But above the world to change, it was all becoming strange. The ocean's waters and the seas were the height of meant to be. Something needed to be done to certify the ocean one. Poseidon and all of his kin found a way to forge a ring. It could fix the ocean's plight with its pride and might. The rings stayed underneath the waves, hidden in a distant cave, till the pirates came visiting and stole our precious ring away. It is said a man that's pure will endeavor to endure. I must make the story right. Bring back the ocean's light. Bring back Poseidon's might.
I will go upon this quest. Till I succeed, I will not rest. I will get that emerald ring to return it to the king. I have often dreamed of a distant shore, where there are things I've never seen before. And I'm flying, and a hero's journey just waits for me. And a voice calls out, and it's telling me, oh, I'm flying free. Far beyond the oceans I have seen, places I can only wonder, things within my dreams. No, when I go there you will see, I'll be with you flying free. As the water mirrors the stars up high, and I imagine I'm in the sky, and I'm flying when my boat is surfing the stormy sea. It's like the ocean is guiding me. Oh, I'm flying free. Far beyond the oceans I have seen, places I can only wonder, things within my dreams. No, when I go there you will see, I'll be with you flying
We heard o'er the seven seas that your hero is on his way to try and steal this ring. What do you say, lads? Let's see.
Follow me. Are you okay?
نأمل أن تكونوا قد استمتعتم بعرض حكاية قراصنة من تخيل. نرجو أن تتابعوا أمسيتكم بسعادة في فestival City Mall.
We hope you enjoyed Imagines a Pirate's Tale. Please enjoy the rest of your night at Festival City Mall.